Hello, good to see you all. All right. Let's see who we got in the house today. Thanks, Sean. Hi, Susan. Welcome, Brittany. Hey there. All right. Starting to see people come in. Yay. All right. Well, welcome back to another business tip of the day with Unboxed Advisors. I'm Catherine, and on this channel, we delve into the latest trends and topics in the accounting, tax, and business advisory world. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you found us. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So good to have you. Before we dive into today's topic, I'm going to take a moment to do all the YouTubey things, all right? Go ahead and hit that like button. That helps us reach more like-minded people. Please consider subscribing to our channel and be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss out on one of our video uploads or for when we go live. All right, so let's get started with today. So I want everyone to think back to the time where you opened up your first bank account. It's most likely the time when you were starting out in your career. Maybe it was your first high school job where you were, scooping ice cream or working at the coffee shop or waiting tables. Or maybe it was, college summer, after college, whenever it might have been. But the first time that you walked in to your local bank to open up your first bank account, all right? So for me, it was, I live in a small town where, like Cheers, everybody knows your name, and you'd, walk in and have a quick chat with the teller. And, the teller would say, "Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here to start a new account with us. Go ahead and hang tight here in the lobby. And, the on-site banker will be with you in just a few moments." And you'd wait a little bit, and that's all good. And, you would then meet with the banker. It'd be, just a few moments wait, not a big deal. And you'd provide your identification and your proof of residence. And of course, they always want those funds to deposit into your account. And that's a pretty standard banking experience for a lot of folks starting their first bank account. And it really caters to the general public and the community. And regular banking serves the everyday needs with very standardized services, offering checking, savings accounts, loans, conventional investments like stocks and bonds. And there's nothing wrong with regular banking. But did you know that there's something more? As your financials and your life grows and becomes more diverse and more complex, you're going to want to seek more personalized and exclusive services. So, if you're a high net worth individual, high revenue or income generating individual or family, this is where private banking steps in. And in private banking or a private banker, they can offer tailored solutions to those they work with. Often in private banking, they have deep industry knowledge or a niche that they work within. And they can also bring in fully comprehensive range of services that includes wealth management and other exclusive investments that have a high threshold of entry. You have to have certain qualifications in order to even, have these investments be something that you even know about. So with private banking, you also get private experience, which is that white glove experience. You get that high touch. You're not waiting in the lobby for the site banker to come out and talk to you. You are being chased down by your private banker who holds a relationship with you. They're the ones who are driving the boat, calling you, emailing you, sending a text message. When you reach out to a private banker, they got your number on speed dial. They know exactly who it is that is calling, and they're going to answer that for you. And okay, so why on this channel am I talking about public versus private banking experiences. Well, y'all, that same parallel, it's coming into the accounting world. We're seeing this revolution of the industry where clients are wanting and craving more, and they're leaving the traditional CPA firms in droves. And so, if imagine that you're a client at a traditional CPA firm and it's tax season, and, you know, the first thing that you receive from your CPA is a tax organizer. All right. And this looks like an adult's Mad Libs. All right. Maybe I'm dating myself here, but remember those when we were kids? They'd be like stories or paragraphs that had fill in the blanks and, noun, adjectives, proper name and all of that good stuff. And you put it in, make a funny little story. Like that's essentially what CPAs are sending their clients, because traditional CPAs handle a huge volume of clients, and it makes it really challenging to remember individuals and their financial situations and industry intricacies. Remember, your traditional certified public accountant or CPA firms, they're handling small businesses, medium-sized businesses, businesses from all different sectors and industries: manufacturing, automotive, professional services, medical practices, also farming. And then they're also handling all of the individuals, because all individuals, even myself and all of you, have to pay taxes. So they're also working alongside a lot of our great community leaders, our teachers, our educators, the hometown veterinarian, the law firm. The dentist, they have a huge variety of clients that they're going to be working with. Nothing wrong with that, because everyone needs to get their taxes done. However, certain individuals, they're coming over into private accounting where there are no tax organizers. Private accountants maintain regular, personalized contact with their clients, just like private bankers do. And how they're able to provide these additional services. And one big distinction is private accountants work with a smaller, exclusive roster. They will only work with, to quantify this out there, medium to large scale CPA firms are doing hundreds, if not thousands, of tax returns. Privatized accountants are probably going to be doing 25 to 50 tax returns total. That's it. Private accountants are more likely to have weekly, biweekly, and monthly conversations about financials, comprehensive tax planning, cash flow, budgeting, business operations, vendor performances, vendor contracts, helping you renegotiate those, reading and tracking the KPIs, and being the hawk of ROIs, ensuring that there is a return on every investment within the business and for clients personally. With that smaller client base that private accountants offer, they can bring in, just like private bankers can bring in wealth management, private accountants, because they service a smaller amount of individuals, can bring in additional services, becoming your financial quarterback. So, y'all, there's no questionnaires like the silly tax organizers, because they understand your needs. They also understand the holes within your financial landscape that need to have additional services be brought in. That can look like an insurance broker, a PEO company, a employment attorney, a contracts attorney, an M&A, mergers and acquisitions expert, a real estate expert. It might bring in other individuals like estate planners, financial advisors, because there's a smaller group that is being served. Each individual can be wowed and overserviced and have just unmatched results. Um, and so, if you are still working with a traditional CPA, okay, a lot of our viewers are. I just I'm gonna have a little bit of a side tangent, okay? Just a little. It's for me, not for you. It's for me. I have to put out into the universe that I would be personally offended if my accounting and tax professional sent me an adult Mad Libs or a tax organizer, especially after I've been working with them for years. Um, but I'm also in full transparency. I'm the front of the plane, back of the car kind of lady. I definitely see the value in premium tier services. For me as a business owner, having that shift from DIY or, the public sector to, hey, premium services have better ROIs, it increased my ability as a business owner to work on more revenue generating activities, to work more on the future stuff, to work more on the things that really brought joy and where I have my genius zone at. It gives me a good night's sleep, or, peace of mind that I've got a great team and I've hired really intelligent, awesome people who know my industry deeply, who care about me both as a business professional and as a person. I'm able to tap in to a lot more services and have doors open for me a lot more than I ever could working with, large scale organizations that have thousands and thousands of clients. I'll just share with everyone that I've made the switch to providing exclusively private accounting services to those who I work with, serving just a small group of clients who value exclusive care. And this includes medical practice owners, law firms. Our team really does focus just in that professional service industry zone. Our team has high touch, high care approaches, just like private account or private banking. So does private accounting. Our clients that we get to work with receive bi-weekly meetings where we check in with them. How are things going? Are we on or off track? Did anything pop up that we need to help with? What's coming up down the pike? Okay, see you in 2 weeks. We have quarterly strategic results and realignment going back to the annual business plan that we worked on together. Are we hitting those metrics? Are we on track? Did something change? We're going to adjust those sales so we can still be really successful. And we also believe that traditional CPAs and the way that traditional financial services are offered to clients is often with an engagement letter that really holds on to the client for, 12 to 18 to 24 months. And private accounting, and especially here at Unboxed Advisors, we are taking the approach that our services should be delivered on a subscription basis, and that our services and what we can help a small business owner do, there's no long-term contract. At any point that you do not see the value in what we're doing, go ahead. Like, go ahead, go. That's okay. We want to work with people who want to work with us, and we're confident that you're going to love our services. We're that confident that we do not have long-term contracts. So, with that, are you ready to break free from public accounting? If you seek private services, personalized strategies, enhanced results, exclusive care, and access to experts, explore what private accounting with Unboxed Advisors can offer you. Reach out to our team and let's start the conversation about your financial journey. You can find us at www.unboxedadvisors.com. You can email me personally at Catherine@unboxedadvisors.com. Download our ebook, y'all. It is called the 10 Mistakes Physicians Make That Require Immediate Treatment. You can download a copy at unboxedcpa.com/10 mistakes. And don't forget, on September 29th, we'll be hosting a live webinar, Cracking the Tax Code, where we're going to be sharing the secrets millionaires have been using to keep more of their take-home money in their pocket. We're not just going to tell you, we're going to share the screen and show you. That's one you don't want to miss. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this content valuable, please do the YouTubey, Facebook, subscribey things. Hit the thumbs up button. That helps the algorithm push this video out to other like-minded people. Subscribe or consider subscribing for more updates and so that you never miss a video upload or for when we go live. We go live Monday through Friday, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, y'all, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will catch you later. Bye.